Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are considering a topic in chemistry, that is the formation of ions, and in this case we are specializing on anions. Ions are formed whenever an element gives out electrons or gain electron. And why do elements give out electron? They do so as to attain the nearest noble gas structure. That is, they try to become stable. So when you have an element, their valence electron, that's the last shell, has 1. The last cell is supposed to have like 8. If it has 1, it's in need of 7 more. It will end up losing the only one it has because it's not difficult giving out 7, but it's easier giving out 1. It's difficult gaining 7 rather than losing. So in that case, such element will give out. But when an element has 6 and is in need of 2 more on the last shell, it's easier gaining. Or the element has 5, it's easier gaining 3. Such elements, for instance, maybe an element has 7, is in need of 1 more. It will be easier. It will be easier gaining 1 than giving out the whole 7. So when such things happen, such element becomes an anions. That is, they become negatively charged because what they are gaining is also negative in nature. That they are gaining electrons, so they become negatively charged. So that's the difference between atom and ions. Atoms are neutral. So in this case now, you can see chlorine atom, sulfur atom, and oxygen atom. So after they relate with other elements, they become ions. For instance, now chlorine has atomic number of 17. And if you would like to learn how I got the symbols of these elements and their atomic number, then formation of ions again, maybe cations, then valency, formation of compounds, symbols of elements, and I to write their names, you can check the link below. You will get my videos on that. And if you are yet to subscribe yet to my channel, this is Science Class Online with Olabisi Olawoye. Please do so by clicking on the subscription button, then like my video, and also by pressing the like button, and also press the notification bell. Share my video as well to as many as possible who are in need of these videos. So chlorine is 17. The front shell here takes 2. The next shell takes 8. Then the last shell takes 7. In this case now, chlorine is in need of 1 more. The valence electron is 7. That's the electron and the outermost shell. The oxidation number will be -1 because it will end up gaining 1 electron instead of losing 7 electrons. Easier. So such elements, when they gain, they become negatively charged because they are gaining an electron that is negative, and they are also known as non-metal. You see that most of them are non-metals. They are in form of gases or liquid, except carbon and silicon and others that are metalloid and non-metals in nature too, but they are in form of solid. Most of them are in solid form. So most non-metals are in liquid and gaseous form, except for those 2 dimensions. Then even metals are in solid form, except for mercury, that is a liquid. Metals are positively charged. They are electron donor. In this case now, non-metals in this case are electron acceptor. Now, chlorine will end up gaining 1 to become negatively charged. So you write -1, or you ignore the 1 and write minus because it's gaining a negative electron. So this is chlorine atom with atomic number of 17. The proton is also the atomic number. Proton number is the atomic number, and the electron is also 17. But in this case, after gaining 1 more electron, the electron is now 18. Let's look at another one. Sulfur is 16. The first shell takes 2. The second shell takes 8. Then the last shell takes 6. Don't forget, electrons are arranged in pairs. Now, this 6 in this way, 2, 2, 1, 1. So they are in need of 2 more electrons. So they end up getting 2 rather than giving out the 6 valence electron they have. So become S2 minus. So this is the oxidation number of chlorine and sulfur respectively. The oxidation number of sulfur here is -2 because it has gained 2 electrons, and the number of electrons is now 18. Whenever an element gives out or gain electron, they are trying to attain the nearest noble gas structure, trying to become stable. So after gaining 2, it becomes 18. That's by gaining 2 to make it 18. The last one here is oxygen. So out of the first 20 elements, you can actually get those one that gives out, those one that gains. There's some elements usually share. Carbon has 4 valence electrons. That on the last shell is 4. Silicon also has the same. So in this case, they gain, or they share with other elements or with themselves. Hydrogen also does the same. It has only one. It cannot give out one, but it occupies the first shell and is in need of one more. So instead of gaining one or giving out the only one it has, it will rather share with other elements. But it's a gas in nature and is a non-metal, though it is positively charged with a plus 1 as the oxidation number. So it's an exception. So oxygen is the next one with atomic number of 8. The first shell takes 2, the next shell takes 6, which is 2, 2, 1, 1. It's in need of 2 more because the next shell is supposed to take 8. So it will end up gaining 2 instead of giving out 6 valence electron. So such elements becomes negatively charged with the oxidation number written on top. So if you want to represent the valency, or want to get the valency of this element, just remove the sign there. The valency is 2. The valence electron, which is the electron at the outermost shell, is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. While the oxidation number is minus 2. Now, the number of electrons has increased. By gaining 1 more electron is now 10. That's the nearest noble gas structure is helium, neon with 10. So this is how element becomes anion. So when an element gains electron, they become anions. That's anode ions. If you would like to get more on my videos, you can check the link below. And also don't forget to subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe here to my video, press the notification bell and the like buttons to get more of my videos.